Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we quickly understand how Binance P2P trading works and how taxes apply on crypto transactions. When you buy or sell crypto like USDT, BTC, or BUSD on Binance P2P, a 1% TDS is applied on every transaction from 1st July 2022. For example, if you buy USDT worth 1000 rupees, you must deduct 10 rupees as TDS and pay the seller 990 rupees. That 10 rupees must be deposited with the income tax department. In P2P trades, the buyer is responsible for deducting and submitting TDS. If you are selling crypto, the buyer will deduct 1% TDS from the payment. So on a 2000 rupees sale, 20 rupees will be deducted and you will receive 1980 rupees. Apart from TDS, you also need to pay income tax on profits. If you buy crypto at 1000 rupees and sell at 2000 rupees, your 1000 rupees profit is taxed at a flat 30%, which means 300 rupees tax. Even if you make a loss, TDS still applies on the transaction value and losses cannot fully cancel out your tax liability. In short, 1% TDS applies on every P2P trade and 30% tax applies on profits. Keeping records and PAN details is very important to stay compliant. Thanks for watching.